Today we will be changing the transfer case fluid on a GMC Envoy. The transfer case is what allows the four-wheel drive vehicles to switch two-wheel to four-wheel, engaging or disengaging the rear of the front differentials. We will also be answering the question, is four-wheel drive the same as all-wheel drive? And, can you wear out your transfer case by leaving your four-wheel drive in auto for long lengths of time? For this repair you will need the following: 2 quarts of ACDelco Auto Trak 2 transfer case fluid, 1 quart pump, 10mm Allen wrench, a hammer, PB blaster, extension pipe, 2-quart drain bucket. The transfer case is located directly under the driver's side seat. Locate the fill and drain plugs. Never open the drain plug first. Always open the fill plug first. If the fill plug was rusted shut and you open the drain plug first, it would release all of the fluid, leaving you no way to refill the fluid. Start by spraying the fill plug with PB blaster. Removing the fill plug will require a 10mm Allen wrench and an extension pipe. The plugs are softened due to rust and will result in the Allen key rounding it out when turned. Use a hammer to drive the Allen key into the softened plug. Add an extension pipe for leverage. Once you have removed the fill plug, now you can remove the drain plug. The transfer case takes 2 quarts of fluid. Allow all of the fluid to drain out. Here's a comparison of the original transfer case fluid with brand new transfer case fluid. Tighten the drain plug in the recommended torque specs. Take 1 quart of ACDelco Auto Trak 2 fluid and attach the quart pump to the top of it. Place the end of the pump quart into the fill plug hole. Dispense the entire quart into the fill plug. Screw the quart pump into the second quart of the Auto Trak 2 fluid and dispense it as well. Is four-wheel drive the same as all-wheel drive? No. Four-wheel drive has 2 independent differentials that are activated by a transfer case. All-wheel drive does not have a transfer case, but a center differential. Four-wheel drive is found in trucks and frame-based SUVs, whereas all-wheel drive is found in cars. Four-wheel drive is more durable than all-wheel drive, as it can be used in more off-roading situations and thus makes it superior to all-wheel drive in Moron Review's opinion. Tighten the fill plug to the required torque specifications. Can you wear out your transfer case by leaving your four-wheel drive on auto for long lengths of time? Yes. Leaving a four-wheel drive system in auto can cause it to constantly activate and deactivate the transfer case, such as hitting wet patches on the road. This can cause the case to work more frequently and unnecessarily. Leave your vehicle to two-wheel drive and put it in four-wheel drive when driving conditions are rough. Dispose of the used gear oil at any local auto parts stores, such as Advanced Auto Parts. The parts for this repair and service are listed below. Thanks for watching.